what skills do cybersecurity professionals need now that AI is here?
Well, the thing is, you still need your core technical skills, like networking, incident response, endpoint protection. All this stuff is still important. But now you've got to layer on AI fluency. That includes understanding, how models work, how to prompt them properly, how to spot when they're hallucinating or confabulating, how to interpret their outputs responsibly, and also, don't underestimate communication and ethics, because this is really, really important. Because as machines, start making more decisions, your job becomes explaining all these decisions to other humans, and this is something when we need to understand. How do you explain the decision that AI made? This is also becoming a legal question. So there are so many new questions now getting open because of AI.
I would add on to, having some of these soft skills. You mentioned communication is a great one. I know in some previous LinkedIn reports, they talk about soft skills being the most desired by employers. You're mentioning the communication side, but then also being able to take a project like AI that might be this new bright shiny object for organizations, and they're unsure of how to approach it and what to do with it. Being able to communicate that, like you're saying, and then being able to take a project through to the end to implement AI into your operations. Those are all very vital.